Rachel Riley looked glowing as she showed off her growing baby bump at the Singin in the Rain red carpet on Thursday. Rachel Riley, 35, took to the red carpet on Thursday evening, as she attended the Singin in the Rain press night in Islington. The Countdown star arrived with husband Pasha Kovalev, 41, and proudly showed off her baby bump. The blonde beauty wore a white knitted dress which complemented her growing belly perfectly, pairing the ensemble with some light grey wedge sandals. Her blonde locks fell loose as she donned a side parting along with natural makeup. Pasha also looked dapper, opting for jeans, a black t-shirt and a navy blazer, as he posed alongside his wife of 2 years. The pair, who met when they were partnered together on Strictly in 2013, also share daughter Maven Aria, who will be 2 in December. They announced that they were expecting their second child back in April of this year, but as the countdown commences before the expectant mum and dancer's family grows by one more, Rachel admitted this pregnancy has been far from smooth sailing. Taking to Twitter on Monday, the maths whiz revealed she was struggling with pregnancy throat burn as she shared a new baby bump snap. "It's that time again," she penned.
"4 months left of pregnancy throat burn, but at least I have somewhere to keep my tablets," she remarked while showing a bottle of Tums assorted berries resting on her blossoming tummy.
Rachel's followers were quick to sympathize, with many sharing their own similar experiences.
"I remember that feeling. I had tubs of those things everywhere. Car, bedside table, kitchen. Every so often I find hidden tubs and shudder at the memory. Good luck for the next few months," one commented. Another suggested, Gaviscon dual action and a straw. Keep it by your bedside and sleep head up high. Worked for 3 pregnancies. A third suggested, Gaviscon liquid, the only way to go, a lifesaver during pregnancy heartburn. The TV star confirmed her second pregnancy by posting a picture of herself standing next to the iconic countdown board which read out the word, Fitrally, an anagram for fertility. A special tea time teaser, she wrote. And your clue is, Riley had this to thank for the reason her clothes no longer fit her. She added cheekily, and it'll only get worse till autumn. Happy days for our little family at Pasha Kovalev and future big sister Maeve.